Now let us take up one example related to probability. The question is, two unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting two heads, one tail, etc., etc.? Now first of all, what do we mean by unbiased coins? Unbiased coins are which are not altered, where the probability of happening of head and tail are equal. Now starting with the question, when we toss two coins, what are the possible outcomes? Possible outcomes are either we can get two heads, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. These are the total number of possible outcomes, that is 4. 4 possible outcomes are there. First part is, what is the probability of getting two heads? So two heads are obtained if only this event HH occurs. So this is the favorable event for first part, to get two heads. So what is the probability? Let this event be E. Then probability of this event E we know is favorable upon total events. Favorable events upon total events. We will be using this formula only. Favorable upon total. Now favorable event is only one, which is this HH, and total events are 4. So probability of getting two heads in case of tossing two coins is 1 by 4. Second part is, what is the probability of getting one head? This condition is satisfied by two events HT, TH. These are two favorable events for this given condition, one head. So this probability of this event will be, favorable events are 2, total events are 4. Again, this comes out to be 1 by 2. Third part is, what is the probability of getting one tail? And this is obtained if this event occurs, TH or HT. So TH and HT are favorable events, two favorable events. Therefore, probability of this event will be favorable upon total, that is again 1 by 2. Fourth part is, to get at least one head. What do we mean by at least one head? At least one head implies one or more heads. So in this case, favorable events will be HT, TH, that is one head, and more head means we can have two heads also. So favorable events in this case are 3. So probability of this event will be 3 upon 4, favorable upon total. Fifth part is, at most one head. At most one head implies, it means one or less, that is we can have one head or zero head also. So in this case, favorable events will be HT, one head, TH, again one head, and TT, zero head. So probability of this event will be, again favorable are 3 events upon total 4 events. Sixth part is, no head. No head means zero heads. Zero heads, that is equal to 2 tails. So TT is the favorable event. So probability of this event will be favorable, which is only one event, divided by total events, which are 4.